This morning we had an opportunity to deliver a number of different items of school supplies that members of the office had donated to Greeley-Evans School District 6. They have a really cool, I'll call it a room, it's called the Teacher's Closet, where teachers who have a need for supplies or school supplies, office supplies, posters, can go there and take from what has been donated to the school district. I think this is fantastic. This is my favorite donation drive that we do every year because it's for kids. It's for kids who don't have the means to have brand new crayons, brand new markers, a really neat backpack to take their things to and from school every day. And so our ability to donate to these kids I think is going to enhance their opportunities for learning and making it more fun to go to school rather than having to worry about not having the supplies necessary to do what they need to do in school. By giving back to these kids who may not have the means, like I talked about, to really have everything that they need in school, increases their likelihood of success in education. There's a direct relationship between their successes and going to school, putting in the effort in school, and staying out of trouble. So this is our way of being able to really heighten their opportunities or increase their opportunities in a very small way, but I think in a very meaningful way.